Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford Bronco Sport Big Bend. Coming in this nice shadow black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 1.5 liter EcoBoost engine, comes equipped with the convenience package and the Class 2 trailer tow package. Taking a look back here, we do have mud flaps, tow hitch, rear park sensing, backup camera. We have a nice roof rack. And moving to the front, we do got blind spot detection on the front, on the mirror, as well as a license plate bracket and that nice Bronco grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see we do have plenty of storage space. You can collapse this row if you need more space. Your lights right there, little hooks on the side, a 12-volt storage cubby there. And lifting this up, you do get quite a bit more storage with a full-size spare tire. And taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray and black cloth interior, plenty of door space. We got fans, USB and a USB-C, the Bronco logo on the floor mats, as well as if you don't need that extra person, you got 2 cup holders and some arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats. The same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. Your trunk and lights are just right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 25 kilometers. We do have a nice heated leather wrap steering wheel, toggle for your screen, phone, media, and playback, play forward, and voice, volume and mute, and cruise control right there. Now looking at your main screen here, let's go all the way to the top. We do have My View, which has your digital speedometer, driving assist, what radio station you're currently on, phone, information about the vehicle, trip 1, and so on and so forth. You got your gear shift, cup holders, parking brake, auto hold, GOAT modes, wireless charging pad with a USB, USB-C, and a 12-volt. Nice leather wrap center console with tons of storage with the USB and USB-C. For your GOAT modes, you do get normal, eco, sport, slippery, and sand. Continue your look over here. You have heated seats, climate control, storage up there with your engine start, auto stop, auto start, hazards, storage right there. We have a garage door transmitter, and looking at your main screen here, you do have your audio, what station you're currently on, compass, and phone. For your audio, you do get Sirius XM capabilities, phone, any apps you may have downloaded, and settings such as FORDPASS, and so on and so forth. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RF13157, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.